can catch up with those two and talk reason with them. Uh-oh.
Cast off.
Casting off.
Little Bear! Johnny!
Hey, it's Jeremy. Hi, Jeremy.
Where are you two going?
Down the river to the settlement. Bye, Jeremy.
Bye. Down the river? It doesn't lead to the settlement. It leads to a...
A waterfall. Where did that come from?
I don't know, but we gotta turn back.
Hey, something's wrong. We don't seem to be going the right way.